And I had to come up out the cold. I was about to be serious, okay? Check this out. Have you seen this? Dollar Tree has this skin. This is called Believe Beauty, okay? Exfoliating in-shower face mask. This is a treatment for when you're tight on time, infused with apricot, okay? Powder and white, you know that P word, okay? $1.25. Shit. You know, Dollar Tree is really doing it for you and me. Okay, let's get into some of the other fancy mancy items. Let's check them out. You guys have been asking for it, okay? The Touchland hand-do sanitizers. Honey, won't she deliver? Okay, she is okay. Now, ooh, Rainbow Sherbet scented. I don't think I seen this one. Now, I did see a pink one, but not rainbow scented. They also have the poppy scented. Honey, get into it and do it. Now, Dollar Tree also have this. Hold on. Check this out. Now, of course, these had went viral on TikTok. Had the hand sanitizer case. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here. Oh, that's the case for this is hand sanitizer. Yeah, have the case over here. They come in 2 different colors. Absolutely love this. They have the black, and then they also have this yellow. Really, really cool. Listen, you know I got you. You know I got you. And there's words to the mother and the brother. For these items, okay, because the only thing I can do is deliver. And there's words to the mother and the brother. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a few items. You may want to sit down. Okay, because I don't want you to be tripping all over the place trying to hurry up and be in Dollar Tree face. Okay, trying to buy all the items up. Honey, listen, get you a notebook and a pen and write down the items that you gonna come get. All right, check it out. Okay, so first up, Dollar Tree has their 4th of July glasses out already. Honey, this is a big deal, okay? These are $1.50. Absolutely love these. Get into this. Fancy pansy mancy. Not only do they have one style, one choice, honey, they also have the blue ones as well. Honey, all I can say, styling and definitely profile. Now, other new items that Dollar Tree has is this plumping glossy lip balm, formulated with strawberry and grapeseed oil, gel magenta. Dollar Tree is out here doing it. Just click, it says. They also have another one. It's called Plum. Okay, honey, this is the plumping glossy lip balm. Okay, and I can only imagine that this is most likely from a dude. Fancy pansy mancy. And this last one is watermelon. Other new items that Dollar Tree has is the 3-in-1 skin treatment tube. This one cleanses and exfoliates, apply mask. It also takes batteries, AA batteries, I believe. It has the on and off down at the bottom. This is really, really cool. So we seen this the other day. I had showed you guys wet face and apply a small amount of cleanser to the facial brush. And honey, so they got these, and then you can just go ahead and get these. The exfoliating in shower face mask. Honey, this just looks like, you know, is fancy pansy mancy. Honey, I'm a package girl, so I know. Okay. Right. Now, not only do they have this color, they also have the purple as well. Get into it. I can only give you the fancy. That's all I can give you. You know, if you're not one of those that don't like to make a statement, this video may not be for you, because I can only give you the fancy. The fanciest of the fanciest. Now, do you see this headband? This is $1.25. Get into the gold. Get into the gold. The gold is definitely out here. Is out here. You know, I'm a gold girl. Oh, they have this headband, but they also have this black one as well. Child, you see this? $1.25. Dollar Tree ain't playing with you folks out in these streets. They just not. They just not. Now, could you say spring? Could we say summer? Okay? Could we say claw clips? Dollar Tree is out here doing it. $1.25. Child, you know I got you. All right? And look at these fancies. Easter, okay? 4 pieces for $1.25. Child, I mean, they are out here doing it. They are working a magic. They almost like me. You know, I'm working my magic out here, showing you fancy folks these beautiful items out here. You know? Look at this with the butterflies. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite item. Okay? And I know if you watched the whole video. Believe me, I know. Okay? So, was it the hair clips? The hand sanitizer? The makeups? Let me know. Honey, I almost forgot to show you guys these. Look at this one with the crown. Ooh, child. They know how to have a good time up in here. 4 pieces. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also had this hand sanitizer. It's called Happy Daisy. Now, you know, I need to smell this. You know, because the packaging is cute and all. But, honey, we need to smell this. Let's see if Dollar Tree really delivering in these streets, okay? Let me take a sniff. This just wasn't it. You know, the packaging is fancy. If you're a person, you just like, you know what, I just like that bottle. You know, it's very fancy, but the smell of it doesn't have too much going on. You know, I'm just a fancy girl. I like smelling good, looking good, and feeling good. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Could you relate? Honey, I know you can. Now, this do look good. But honey, it ain't got that scent. It don't qualify for the fancy pansy. Okay, you gotta qualify out here. Honey, I'm gonna be showing you guys all new items at Dollar Tree up here in Union City, New Jersey, on 28th Street. You ready? I hope you ready. Now, you may want to sit down for this one because it's going to get a little intense. I want to warn you. Another new item Dollar Tree has is called Trust Me to Relax Shampoo and Clean Shampoo Brush. Get into this. This is cute. All right. Designed for natural hair textures of all lengths, massages scalp while shampooing, therapeutic bristles designed for all hair types and hair lengths, fulfills everyday styling needs while promoting healthy hair. Ooh, child, I love it already. This is fancy, $1.25. All I know is summertime. Dollar Tree has the icy slush cherry flavor. They also have the blue raspberry flavor. And then they also have the snow cone airheads. Okay, the cherry and the blue raspberry as well. And then they also have Tampico, the citrus flavor. These are $1.25. Honey, one of those hot scorching days, you're gonna need a few of these. And some water. Alright, so Dollar Tree has the Hosties Twinkies Ice Latte drink. This is $1.25. Honey, they out here moving and grooving. Like me. Like me. Another new item is this Audubon Eliminates Odor Carpet Odor Eliminator for all rugs, carpets, upholstery, and autos. $1.25. They have 2 fragrances. So they have the Tropical Mist, and then they also have, this one just says pet odor. Okay. Oh no, honey, these ain't $1. These $3.25. My bad. Excuse me. Now they also have the pet odor eliminator. This with citrus scent. This is $3 from Homeline. They also have the value 5-pack Fireside Joy. When I tell you these smells delightful, these smell so good. You get 5 of these for $3. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. But my fave is definitely the Berry Burst. Oh my goodness, delightful. Look at Dollar Tree being fancy. So they have the Bottle Up Joy. This is the incense. You know the ones that you would stick on a wall? Okay, I'm guessing this is the one you stick on the wall. But this is made with essential oils and uncycled ingredients, adjustable air freshener. You get 2 packs. This is redwood and pine. And then they also have the mint and clove. Okay, $1.25 as well. When I did this, I smelled it. It smelled good to me. But honey, I don't know if that's really the thing. But honey, somebody done opened this. You see they don't open this? Oh, they didn't take it out of the packaging. But I smelled it through the thing. Honey, it's $1.25, okay? Another cool item Dollar Tree has is the insect repellent wipes. These are 50 wipes for $1.25. You cannot flush these, honey, just FYI. Repels mosquitoes, last up to 2 hours, biodegradable, okay, and compostable, is that how you pronounce it? Material family care, okay, $1.25. Other items that Dollar Tree has that you may want to be on the lookout, honey, is these sandals right here. Now, I know I'm getting me a pair, most likely Friday, when I get paid. Okay, this week. These are $5. Now, when I tell you they are fancy, pantsy, mancy, I absolutely like these. Honey, these are cute. Let me tell you something. I bought something like this from DSW. By the way, I absolutely love DSW. I bought something like these. Now, of course, they was, probably the quality was a little better, but those sandals was like $30-something. Honey, I could have got about 6 pairs, okay? About 6 pairs of these, okay, if they have other colors. Now, the DSW ones, honey, they was fancy, though. I'm not gonna lie. They was fancy. I had bought 2 pairs. Okay, this was a few years ago. I like these. I have a pair of these every summer. I don't play when it comes to these. These are cute. Now, don't forget that Dollar Tree also have their cleaning items like this Dawn right here, 5 times faster grease cleaning. This is $5. They also have their mops and stuff over here, which are $5. They also have the Essential Standard 360 duster. This is $3 the refill. Wait, hold on, child, because sometimes the thing be in the wrong place. No, these are $5, but the refill I believe is $3. They also have these push brooms over here, which are $5, and then the 10-inch corn broom, which is $5 as well. Dry and wet sweeper mop set 2-in-1. This is $5. Let me know what was your favorite item in the comment section. Mine's definitely was the dupes, the Touchland dupes, the hand sanitizer, also the lip plumpers. Those was really, really cute. Absolutely like those. They had so many new items. Ooh, child. Really fancy, pantsy, mancy. Absolutely loved it. Okay, $1.25. Honey, they're in a place to be, like me. I'm delivering to you fancies. Okay? Oh, and those hair accessories. Child. Really good.